Care, good hearing you on the radio. 351, Central Texas Watchmaker.
Yeah, you're smoking right about now. I don't know what happened yesterday. We're getting all kinds of conditions. It was like spotty though here and there, and I had to go somewhere anyway. They had a break down there in Sebring, so the 28 Good Time gang was down there having a good time, so I had to go, and also I wasn't on the radio. But hey, Watchmaker, thanks for keying up and hollering back this way, man. You have a good weekend. What's left of it? You're 351 waving it back quiet.
Hey, Phil Roger there, 351. Good deal, good times. Good God, glad you had a good time yesterday. Hopefully I'll be able to put the speak and spoke on you soon when I get down to Florida. Hey, 351, Watchmaker, I'm pulling back. Listening in, big boy.
Yeah, you're smoking right now. I was running a gate too, man, so you'll be able to check it out a little bit later when you get a chance. Hey, Watchmaker, take care, man. Real good copy, and hopefully we'll get back with you real soon.
Hotel, you too. I'm running a live gate on Truck CB sales, live gates. And you're putting about 20 dBs on me there. Sounding real good, big brother. Good talking to you again, 351. Your Central Texas Small Hammer Watchmaker. Getting on down.
Appreciate their Watchmaker. Hey, if you hear that spark plug, tell him I'm waving a hand at him. I'm not sure if I got his attention or not, but hey, Watchmaker, take care. Your 351 is gone.
9+ dB in the Caribbean with loud audio. 008. Super, penetrator.